Hello guys, in this video we'll be completing the hands-on challenge from the unit Enable Chatter on the review object. This is the final unit in the module Customize the user interface for a recruiting app. So let's quickly jump into our Trailhead playground in our split screen window. So in this challenge we are going to enable the chatter feed tracking which will be posting the changes made to the objects. So to do that, let's go to feed tracking from our setup window. So you can find that below chatter. Once we are in the feed tracking, let's search for our object review. Okay, and let's select enable feed tracking. So, and let's enable these fields inside the feed tracking. So the first is core competencies in experience, interviewer, followed by job application, leadership skills. Okay. Reason recommended. Sorry, it's leadership skills, not leadership comments. And the last one is recommended for hire. So once we have selected them, let's click on save. And pretty much that's the challenge. So let's see if we got this one right. That's perfect. See you in the next video. Bye bye.